The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Yadkin County in northwest North Carolina, eastern Wilkes County in northwest North Carolina until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near North Wilkesboro and moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Locations impacted include North Wilkesboro, Roaring River, Rhonda, Clingman, Windy Gap. Precautionary/preparedness actions: if you are caught outside, seek shelter from the weather in a strong building. Damaging wind, large hail, very heavy rain, and deadly lightning are all possible in severe thunderstorms. Stay inside away from windows until the storm has passed.